Hello, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. This is February 22. 22. That's a 22222. But this is hive number 301. They've had a few problems and situations through the year, so they haven't been growing too much. But we're going to check them today and see if they're doing better. That was the sugar water. Still eating on the sugar. Got a little bit of pollen left, not much. So we're gonna see what they're doing. A little cloudy today. Temperatures in the 70s. A little bit windy. Nothing on that side. They have nectar and pollen here, nectar up there, and some pollen there. They're not doing too bad, I guess. We'll wait and see. They're still calm. Okay, we got a little egg, little brood, little larvae in here. So she's coming along. This is nectar in here and some pollen. Now what we could do is put another frame of brood in here. There's the white queen here. Piece of their paper off. Bottom looks okay. Doing real good here. We got brood, we have pollen and nectar, a little honey up here, we have eggs and brood in here. Same thing on that side. Side here we have pollen, nectar, we have nectar, pollen over here, and the last frame doesn't look like it has a whole lot, so we're just going to put it back over here. Even up the boxes, the frames. We're going to put these little girls back on here. Let them finish the sugar. All this old paper off. This paper doesn't feel like I split it when I put it in. A little bit thicker than normal. get their food. Go make up more food. A little bit more pollen here, so they'll be strong bees. There we go, girls. Give them candy, make them happy. Yeah, we're gonna put this up there anyway then. Okay. That's Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Hive number 301. Y'all give us a thumbs up, subscribe, be more coming. Give us a comment, and we'll talk with y'all later. Bye.